we found them on a bottom shelf. Chocolate chips.
There's a clue!
What? Did something out here happen that I should know about?
A clue! A clue!
It's a clue, isn't it? Oh, wait, just hold it. I'll be right there. Now, where is that clue? Ooh.
It's right there!
No,
It's right behind you!
Huh? Where? What? I can't find it. Do you see it?
Right there!
Oh yeah, it's right there. You know, I'd like to be able to find a clue once, just once, like you. Ah well, maybe next time. Hey, you know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Hang about. Wait right here. I'll be right back.
Steve? 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 Why'd Steve leave? I know he'd like my tricks. If I could only show him.
Okay, so what is this clue?
A knob.
A knob. Right. First, an oval. A line down and around like this. There. A knob. So, what was our first clue?
Notebook.
Right. Our notebook. And now, our second clue is a knob. So, who should be Blue's singing partner with a notebook and a knob? Yeah, maybe, but I think we better find our last clue to figure this out before the big music show, which is really soon. Come on.